Over the course of the time we've had direct payments, we've employed 4 women. Recruitment has been difficult. We live in the centre of Swansea, which is a university city, so there's quite a few young people around. So we've actually, in the course of the direct payments, we've hired 2 young women who've been students at the time, but they've finished their studies now, and so they've gone away, unfortunately. The other lady had an operation, so she's stopped working for the moment. So we've just got the one at the moment, but we're happy because she can do the hours that we need.